Today we have a diverse bunch of presenters. We've got Roe Meshrez, the co-founder and CTO at BeyondMinds, who's dialing in from London. Secondly, we'll have Brett Hertz, who's the co-founder and CEO of Data.World, dialing in from sunny Texas.
Hi, everybody.
Thirdly, we will have Nong Lee, who is the co-founder and CTO of Akera, and he's dialing in from San Diego on his holiday. So thank you so much, Nong, for joining us. And bringing up the rear, we will have Sebastian Garcin, who is the co-founder and CEO of Wiser, who's dialing in from Paris, France. So now the first presentation is over to BeyondMinds. BeyondMinds have raised $16 million in funding to date. Their clients include KPMG and Samsung. And Roe, it is over to you.
So hello everybody, my name is Roe Meshrez. I'm the CTO and a co-founder of BeyondMinds. And I'm going to tell you today about BeyondMinds and what we do, and specifically about how we help the enterprises with our AI solutions. So to start, I want to tell you in a nutshell what we do at BeyondMinds. After I finished my PhD in computer vision, I founded BeyondMinds with the goal to bridge the gap between academic research and real life and AI use cases and solution in production. So that's exactly what we do at BeyondMinds. We deliver these production grade enterprise solutions. We focus on fully customized solution that can fulfill the needs, the constraints and the requirements of your organization, with a special focus on sustainable over time. So our product and our platform, the BeyondMinds platform, is focusing on what happened after the solution is in production and how to bring it into production faster and better. We deliver all our solution as a service in a SaaS model, and we mainly focus the global 2,000 customers in various industries for multiple use cases. And I want to start with a small business value example. So as you probably all know, as data executives in your organization, AI is an amazing technology and it can improve accuracy, provide more automation, and definitely improve the business process. But at BeyondMinds, we're focusing on how to add to that the significant reduction around TCO. And what you can see in this figure is a comparison between in-house do-it-yourself versus the BeyondMinds turnkey SaaS. And we can see a very significant reduction in TCO, and that's based on a real example. The way we do that is basically moving from a model-driven approach to a system-driven approach. And I hope that your experience was good in the past in AI, but in most of my conversation with enterprises, the experience might have been unsatisfactory. And that's because a production-grade solution is more than just this model. And the classic model-centric approach is probably to build a model in the lab, then try to move it to production. And that's usually fail when it does not meet the production requirements, and there are many. There are lots of different barriers to cross. And at BeyondMinds, we're providing a different approach, right? So unfortunately, the industry standards for model-centric delivery is around 18 months, and that's quite a lot of time, right? And not only that it takes 18 months, the elements built are tailored to the specific solution and are not reusable to other enterprise AI solutions. And as leaders, you want to adopt AI solution organization-wide and bring the right tools that can hold that. So at BeyondMinds, we are believing in a production-centric approach. And we have built a steady universal frame that can set models into it. So instead of model-driven, it's a framework-driven, it's a system-driven, or a production-centric. And that allows us to deliver a customized solution in just 3 months instead of 18 months. And that's where the drastic TCO comes from. And it also comes from not developing from scratch versus building on top of very sophisticated platform and a product. This is an illustration of how we implement these types of concepts into a platform. It is arranged in 4 different layers, from the infrastructure through data, through AI capabilities, and last, the management tools. The idea of the platform is to have this train and maintain infinity loop where we collect feedback, combine human in the loop, redeploy and retrain, and that's repeat itself. And that's allow us to smoothly move to production, but not only that, to keep the model in production over time. In our follow-up meeting, I can show you a demo of the UI that comes with every solution and dive a little bit deeper into the timeline of how we deliver solutions into production in 3 months, including a UI management, integration, modeling the problem, and wrap it with our platform. So on a nutshell, to summarize, BeyondMinds delivering a production-grade enterprise AI solutions. We focus on fully customized solution in a sustainable way over time. Thank you very much.